Let me tell you all about it here in just a second. But first, let's put a quick shout out to www.noblegoldinvestments.com. That's www.noblegoldinvestments.com. Reign in wealth like King Charles with a gold IRA from Noble Gold Investments. Just as King Charles, his magnificent golden crown symbolizes his wealth and power, a gold IRA can fortify your own financial kingdom. Imagine the confidence that comes from a retirement backed by a tangible, proven asset, gold, and assets that's not at the mercy of unpredictable stock market swings. A crown may not be included, but isn't a future free of financial stress worthy of a throne? Like royalty, enjoy the luxury of choice. You can choose gold or silver, platinum or palladium. The realm is yours to command. Fend off those concerns about economic downturns and let your wealth thrive with the timeless security of precious metals. This month, they're going to give away a 1/4 of an ounce. It's not this one, because it's a 1/4 of an ounce gold coin like this, except it is the first ever issued King Charles III image on, and it will be yours for you to keep, a collector's item, and it's 1/4 of an ounce of gold. You'll get it if you set up a gold IRA or roll over your 401k of $50,000 or higher. A lot of you have that in your retirement funds. This could be a way to protect it. People are saying they're tired of losing their inheritance, or not inheritance, they're losing their retirement funds because of the erosion, because of the downturns in the market. You can't go wrong with Noble Gold. Go to www.noblegoldinvestments.com. That's www.noblegoldinvestments.com. Or pick up the phone and call them at 877-646-5347. That's 877-646-5347. And tell them that Pastor Paul Begley sent you there.
Fox News Digital has obtained information indicating that the individual who provided details about an alleged criminal bribery scheme involving then Vice President Joe Biden and a foreign national is a highly credible FBI confidential human source. This source has been utilized by the FBI in multiple investigative matters dating back to the Obama administration. House Oversight Committee Chairman James Comer and Republican Senator Chuck Grassley were contacted by a whistleblower who claimed that the FBI possessed a document, specifically an FD 1023 form from June 30th of 2020, Fox News reported. Now, this document reportedly contained explicit information provided by the confidential human source, alleging that Biden, during his tenure as vice president, engaged in a $5 million criminal bribery scheme with a foreign national in exchange for influence over policy decisions. A reliable source familiar with the matter informed Fox News Digital on Friday that the confidential human source who provided the information on Biden to the FBI was already an existing source for the Bureau. This source had been employed in various separate investigative matters prior to the generation of the FD 1023 form in June of 2020, which documented the Biden allegations. Now, according to the same source, the FBI has consistently evaluated and reviewed the confidential human source, affirming their high level of credibility. The source further revealed that the FBI had been utilizing this source for, quote, at least several years before the document detailing the allegations against Biden was produced. On Monday, U.S. stocks started the week on a slightly downward trajectory, signaling a potential quiet period after experiencing their best week since March. The S&P 500 index declined by 8.58 points, which is equivalent to 0.2%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average saw a drop of 199.90 points, or roughly 0.6%. Similarly, the Nasdaq Composite also slipped by 11.34 points, ending at 0.1%. Following the release of a report indicating that growth in the construction, accommodation, and other U.S. service industries fell short of economists' predictions last month, a majority of stocks on Wall Street experienced a decline. Nevertheless, it was still the 5th consecutive month of expansion. This latest development adds to the mixed readings concerning the U.S. economy, which has defied expectations of a recession but has begun to slow down due to the impact of higher interest rates. On Monday, the United States Navy announced that its sailors, along with the United Kingdom Royal Navy, provided assistance to a ship in the strategically significant Strait of Hormuz after it was reportedly, quote, harassed by Iran's Revolutionary Guard. According to a statement from the U.S. Navy, 3 fast attack vessels belonging to the Revolutionary Guard carrying armed personnel approached the merchant ship at close proximity on Sunday afternoon, the Associated Press reported. The Navy shared black and white images obtained from a U.S. Navy Boeing P-8 Poseidon aircraft that was monitoring the situation, showing the 3 small ships in close proximity to the commercial vessel. In response to the incident, the U.S. Navy's guided missile destroyer USS McFall and the Royal Navy's frigate HMS Lancaster intervened. The Lancaster deployed a helicopter to the scene. Approximately an hour later, the situation de-escalated when the merchant vessel confirmed that the fast attack craft had left the area, as stated by the Navy. The merchant ship continued its transit through the Strait of Hormuz without encountering any other further incidents.